Every full moon is a chance to release negativity. Some months and some full moons are better than others when it comes to having the power to really purge, and this week's full moon is one of those. This is because the full moon this week is taking place in harmonious aspect to the purge planet Pluto. Pluto is effectively the plumber of the zodiac. Think of when your drain is blocked and you use a plunger or baking soda and vinegar to clear the blockage. Pluto is the plunger or the dissolving solution. Note that the full moon is in harmonious aspect to Pluto, so this should be a gentle energy this week rather than a jarring one. Chances like this really don't come along every week, so be sure to do the work.